The Internet of Things, IoT, has transformed our interaction with technology, creating a connected environment that enhances daily life. It refers to a network of interconnected devices that communicate and exchange data over the Internet, improving functionality and providing valuable insights. IoT applications span various sectors, including home automation, healthcare, agriculture, and industrial processes, enabling devices to work together for increased efficiency and productivity. The fundamental components of IoT include sensors, connectivity, data processing, and user interfaces. These elements allow devices to collect and analyze data, which in turn enhances convenience and effectiveness in various tasks. This tutorial aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of IoT, exploring its workings, applications, and key considerations, along with practical projects to help individuals get started. By the end of the tutorial, participants will gain insights into how to leverage IoT capabilities in their own projects, highlighting the potential of this technology in reshaping our approach to everyday tasks.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.